This is the simple primitive unit cell in which the atoms are present only at the corners, like this. And the contribution of each atom which is present at the corner is equal to 1 by 8. So the total number of atoms which are present at the corners will be equals to 1. 1 by 8 into 8, which will be equals to 1. Like this. See the contribution. Now here the atoms are placed in the body centered also. Right, the atoms present at the corners plus one atom which is present at the body center. See the contribution. This particular atom which is present at the body center will have its own individual contribution which is equals to 1, because it is touching all the 8 corners, as you can see. Here the total number of atoms will be equals to 1 by 8 into 8, because 8 atoms are present at the corner, plus 1 atom which is present individually at the center will be equals to 2. So the total number of atoms which are present in BCC, it is equals to 2. Now see this. It is touching all the 8 corners. Now the third one is FCC, that is face centered cubic unit cell. Here total 6 faces are there. As you can see, 6 faces are there along with the corners. And each atom which is present at the face has its own contribution is equals to 1 by 2. And total faces are 6. Like this. So the total number of atoms which are present in FCC will be equals to 1 by 8 into 8 which are present at the corners, plus 1 by 2 into 6, because there are 6 faces and their contribution is half. So the total number of atoms will be equals to 4.